Tender and kind, built over time. This is my love for you. Steady and pure, patient and sure. This is my love for you. So shout from the city gates, hear heaven bless this day. Let all the elders say that this love was worth the wait.
Do you accept Stephanie to be your lawfully wedded wife? Do you promise to love her, to honor her, to care for her and protect her in good times and bad, through wealth and through poverty, in sickness and in health?
I do.
I do.
Careful and wise, true and refined. This is my love for you. Gentle but strong, from suffering long. This is my love for you. So shout from the city gates,
It's the key.
hear heaven bless this day. Let all the elders say that this love was worth the wait. Let go and hear the sound, pull all the barriers down. I'll cherish the one I found.
You may now kiss your wife.
Sound be heard, let the songs be sung. I have found the one that this heart loves. Let the veil be torn, save yourself no more. This is my love for you.